Manu says, Yattu idam drishyate kinchit. Whatever you are experiencing or whatever is seen, kinchit, anything, insignificant or great. Whatever yat idam drishyate kinchit. Tat nasti nrupa kinchana. It doesn't exist. That means we are experiencing but it doesn't exist. Example is given. Marustale yatha vari kheva gandharva pattanam. Like Marustale in the deserts, we see the mirage waters. They appear but don't exist. Marustale yatha vari kheva gandharva pattanam. Or in the space we see the various clouds and various worlds you can imagine. See, whenever I am traveling, when I look outside and there are beautiful clouds, you also must be doing the same thing. You see different images. Sometimes you see Hanumanji, sometimes you see Rama, sometimes you see some kind of dance is going on. See, sometimes you see some tiger or a monkey, something or the other in the clouds. So it appears but doesn't exist. That is Gandharva Pattana. So, yet idam drishyate kinchit tad nasti nrupa kinchana marustale yatha vari kheva gandharva pattanam. So therefore, hey, Ikshvaku Maharaj, what you have asked, what about this? What is the cause? There is no cause of this world. See? Because it doesn't exist. Now continuing further. Mana shashtendriyatitam yattu no drishyate kvachit avinashim tadastih tatsat atmeti kathyate. So, mana shashtendriyatitam yattu no drishyate kvachit, that which is beyond the five sense organs and the mind. Manaha shashtendriyatitam. Mind is the sixth indriya. So, yattu no drishyate kvachit, that which doesn't exist, is not seen. Avinashim tadastiha. That means that which does not fall in the field of five sense organs or the mind, whatever is there, avinashim tadastiha. That alone is the absolute reality. It is never destroyed. The world is destroyed, the world is remaining, it changes. But this substratum, avinasham tadastiha, tat sat, that is the sat, that is the reality, and atmeti kathyate, and that is called as the self. So what you are seeing, the world is not the world, it is the self. And how it is the self? If you drop all your sense organs, mind, intellect, yet you remain. See? This is the reality. And all that is perceived through the mind, the intellect, the concept in the relative world, through sense organs, objects, everything disappears, everything dissolves. Because not in the purview of the sense organs, reason being, it doesn't have any attribute like the Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha. Doesn't fall in the purview of the mind, therefore doesn't have any emotions, joy, sorrows, etc. So, that which is manashashtendriyatitam yattu no drishyate kvachit, that which doesn't become an object of knowledge, no drishyate kvachit, because it is absolute subject without the objectivity. Therefore, objectless awareness, Jai Krishnamurti. Avinashim tadastiha. This avinashi, indestructible, whatever is, tat atmeti kathyate, that is what is called as the Atma.